Hello everyone, and welcome back to AI Content Labs. In the previous video, we learned how to create a workflow to generate multilingual audio from an English audio file. In this tutorial, we will explore an alternative method to achieve the same result. This approach offers some advantages over the previous method, but also comes with certain limitations that should be considered. In the previous workflow, we followed a structured process with 3 key steps. First, we transcribed the audio using Whisper, then we translated the content using a preferred language model, and finally, we generated the translated audio using a TTS model. One of the biggest advantages of this method is its low execution cost, making it an efficient and affordable option. In this new workflow, we will leverage the multimodal capabilities of GPT-4o audio to process audio natively. This allows us to eliminate the last 2 steps of the previous workflow, translation and TTS, and replace them with a single step where the language model handles both tasks automatically. In fact, we could even skip the transcription step entirely and directly ask the LLM to generate the translated audio from the original file. However, after conducting multiple tests, we found that this approach does not always produce consistent results. For this reason, we will keep the transcription step to ensure greater stability in the process. We start by duplicating our existing workflow and renaming it for easier identification. Next, we remove the final nodes, leaving only those up to the language split step. Then, we add a prompt node and select the GPT-4o audio preview model. Although we could also use GPT-4o mini audio preview, we will stick with the more advanced version to ensure better performance. We rename the node with a clear and descriptive title and configure the prompt so that the model translates and generates the audio from the previous transcription. We ensure that the variables are properly linked to the previous nodes and then execute the workflow. Once the process is complete, we will obtain the generated audio files in the selected languages. Hello everyone, and welcome to AI Content Labs. In this tutorial, we will explore how to build a workflow that, starting from a photo of... Hola a todos y bienvenidos a AI Content Labs. En este tutorial, exploraremos cómo construir un flujo de trabajo. Bonjour à tous et bienvenue à AI Content Labs. Dans ce tutoriel, nous allons explorer comment créer un flux de travail qui, à partir d'une photo d'un t-shirt, générera des images de modèles portant ce vêtement. Ce flux de travail est idéal pour les entreprises de mode. Ciao a tutti e benvenuti a AI Content Labs. In questo tutorial esploreremo come costruire un flusso di lavoro che, partendo da una foto di una maglietta. Olá a todos e sejam bem-vindos ao AI Content Labs. Neste tutorial, vamos explorar como construir um fluxo de trabalho que, a partir de uma foto de uma camiseta, vai gerar imagens. This approach simplifies the workflow execution by reducing the number of steps while still delivering high-quality results. Additionally, GPT-4o Audio Preview supports up to 16,000 tokens of output, enabling the translation of long audio files without having to split them into smaller text fragments. However, there are some downsides to consider. In certain cases, the LLM may produce hallucinations, meaning it might unintentionally modify the translated audio, potentially altering its duration by adding or omitting sections. Additionally, this method costs 5 times more than the previous workflow, which could be a determining factor depending on your use case. If you're looking for an efficient and cost-effective solution, the first method remains a great option. But if you prioritize a simpler execution and the ability to translate long audios without text splitting, this alternative might be the better choice. Let me know in the comments which method you find more useful and which one best fits your needs. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next tutorials on AI automation. See you in the next video.